Do you want to monitor multiple computers in real time from one dashboard, from your computer, from from your smartphone even, just using the browser, just over the internet? In this full demo, I will show you this grid view from live monitoring and screenshot history to review everything that is happening on your business computers. Yeah, that's what I will show you. And notice this is passive live viewing for monitoring purposes. No remote takeover, no interrupting work. Yeah, so that's what I will show you. Basically, how it works is like this. You install a software called Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of the computer that you want to monitor. You install it, and I will show you in a second how to install it. Because of course you can do it by yourself, try it yourself for free within a trial period. And after you have installed it, which I will show you in a moment, you will get access to this dashboard. You can also visit this URL to this dashboard. This is a demo dashboard, so you will get your own dashboard. Of course, the password will not be displayed. You set your own password, but this is a demo. So this dashboard, you enter into that dashboard after you install it. 12345 is the demo password. You log into, and we'll see the live computer screens of each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen on. So in this case, 5 computers have been installed with Wolfeye. And this is demo, okay? So you only see a picture, but in reality, you will see the live computer screens. And to see it, come to our website. I will show you to install it by yourself on your computer. So that's what you will see. You could change these columns to 2 so that you see bigger screens, yeah? Or to 3 so that you see more screens. And if you wanted to see the live stream of one particular screen, you right mouse click on live for one of these computers. And for that particular computer, the live screen opens. And you here only see a picture, but in reality, you will see the live screen. And live screen means it's like how it's like a screenshot updated every 2 seconds. You have 2 to 3 seconds time lag, but you will see it in the when you try it by yourself. But you see the live computer screen for each of that computers. And also you could click on this where you read history. Right mouse click on history, and it opens a screenshot history. So a screenshot is made every 5 minutes so that you can review what has been done on that particular computer. Yeah, that's how it works. I think it's very intuitive. You have understood what this Wolfeye Remote Screen software does. So, if you wanted to try it by yourself for your computers, yeah, you can come to our website wolfeye.de and click on Start Free Trial. And if you click on Start Free Trial, you can book a demo session. In this demo session, I will make a quick demo for you. So click the demo session because it's important. Use this tool. Yeah, select your time zone, or it's already pre-selected. I'm in Germany, so you hit. In this will make sure that we can talk to each other and take into account that we have different time zones. That's why it's better. But you can also write me on WhatsApp. Yeah? We will do the session over WhatsApp, by the way. I will call you on WhatsApp. So give me your WhatsApp number. I speak fluently in English, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. Any of these languages that you speak, you will be able to make it with to talk with me. And in this demo session, I first will demonstrate it to you. I will install it on my computer. It's already installed, and I will give you access to my demo, to my dashboard. So you will see, not to my demo, to my dashboard, you will see in action my live screen. Yeah? And if you wanted to continue, I could guide you to that so that you install it on 1 or 2 of your computers. I will guide you through the installation, which is very, very fast. In a few seconds, you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah, in the past videos, I already showed how it is installed. It's already running on my computer, and the last video, it's not possible to install it if it's already running. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, but this will enable you to quickly set up and install Wolfeye on your remaining computers. We'll be able to install it on all of your remaining computers without any problem. and do it. You install it and test it for a few weeks. Yeah, you receive this dashboard. That's your dashboard. Yeah, with your password, and we'll see for a few weeks. We'll test it out. We'll see the live screens, and we'll to know if you like the software before you decide if you want to continue to use Wolfeye Remote Screen. And that's it. So come to our website wolfeye.de, book a demo session. Yeah, contact me, and I'm very happy to get to know you and to install Wolfeye on your systems together with you. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.